If you've been following the crypto market, get ready, because the roller coaster is going back up, and this time, Bitcoin is leading the charge with full force. Imagine waking up, checking the charts, and seeing BTC flirting once again with the $100,000 mark. Sounds like a dream? Well, it's almost reality. And in this video, I'm going to show you why Bitcoin is rising while most altcoins are getting left behind, what this means in the near future, and most importantly, how you can position yourself in this new scenario. So stay with me until the end, because what's happening right now could be the beginning of a new explosive cycle or just another market trap. And before we dive in, if you like this kind of straight-to-the-point content, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me bring you more important updates like this one. Bitcoin's recent recovery wasn't just a sigh of relief. It was a solid leap. Since April 2nd, when Donald Trump announced a new wave of tariffs, BTC has gained more than 14%, reaching an impressive $96,963. That placed it once again among the best-performing investment of the month, at a time when traditional markets are still trying to digest what's next for the U.S. economy. And what's interesting is that even with this strong rally, Bitcoin is showing resilience, with low volatility and contained liquidations. That's a clear sign that big investors are confident, and the demand for call options with a $100,000 strike price is already among the highest across all expirations, according to data from CoinGlass and Deribit. But not everything is sunshine in the crypto universe. While BTC rises, altcoins are still struggling to find their footing. Ethereum made a small attempt to recover, gaining 2.14% over the past week, but it's still far behind Bitcoin's performance. Solana and Cardano, for instance, are still deep in the red, with weekly losses of 2.31% and 3.71% respectively. And if we zoom out, the picture gets even more dramatic. The altcoin season index, which compares the performance of the top 100 altcoins to Bitcoin over the last 90 days, shows we're far from an alt season. Only 12 cryptocurrencies posted significant gains, some surging up to 740%, but the majority are dealing with steep declines, some as much as 64%. This tells us that smart money, at least for now, is flowing straight into Bitcoin. This movement reinforces the idea that the market is going back to basics, seeking safety and liquidity. Right now, Bitcoin is acting like a hybrid asset, sometimes moving in sync with gold, sometimes with the stock market, and sometimes charting its own course, driven by spot demand and short-term momentum. According to Bloomberg analysts like Chris Newhouse, market sentiment has shifted, and it's shifted hard. Momentum-based strategies are back in play, and the appetite for bullish BTC positions is stronger than ever. This may be a direct result of the macroeconomic uncertainty in the United States, where investors are desperately searching for solid alternatives in the face of fiscal instability and unpredictable economic policies. So now the big question is, are we about to see Bitcoin break the $100,000 barrier again? And even more importantly, will the altcoins catch up or continue to lag behind? If history is any guide, Bitcoin usually leads the bull cycles, with altcoins following later. But at this very moment, all market attention is locked onto BTC. And that's no coincidence. If you're thinking about investing, or if you already hold crypto positions, now is the time to watch everything closely. The game has changed once again, and whoever's ahead on information has the edge. And if you want to keep getting these hot updates fresh out of the oven, turn on the notification bell right now. The next big move could happen at any moment, and when it does, you'll want to be ready. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button and let me know in the comments. Do you think Bitcoin will hit $100,000 this month? And which altcoin do you believe could surprise us in this scenario? Don't forget to share this video with that friend who's still lost in the crypto world. And of course, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of the next updates. See you next time.